How to upload HD videos on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to post HD videos on TikTok. It's so easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Click on post and click on upload and choose the video. So now click on next and click on more option. You're gonna find the option said upload HD. I don't have that option too, so all I need to do is go to my Play Store and make sure if I'm using the latest version of TikTok. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.